One of the most challenging aspects of big data analysis is its structure, or I should say its lack of structure. Typically, data analysis is undertaken with data in tabular or some other highly structured format. But what about all the data being generated that's unstructured? For example, weblog posts, news articles, and product reviews. How can these data be used to evaluate business, develop new products, or analyze consumer sentiment? Traditionally, processing unstructured data, if it's undertaken at all, is done manually, reading and classifying. Analytical text processing is a powerful, unstructured data analytics platform that automatically delivers actionable business intelligence quickly from unstructured data. Product reviews are a good example of unstructured data, typically crudely classified by the author using stars to indicate positive or negative sentiment. I'm going to look at a product that has received mixed reviews. In this example, reviews are extracted from Amazon, a process that can be replicated for any website. For this demonstration, I copy and paste a link to the Amazon product reviews into ATP and then select how many reviews to process. ATP can look at individual posts and deliver sentiment analysis on those posts, with positive words highlighted in green and negative in red. The overall score is shown in the lower panel. We can also view overall sentiment. The lower panel displays overall sentiment of the sample reviews, and we can see about 60% of them are positive. Commonly used words in the reviews are also analyzed in the context of the language in which they appear. Warranty, for example, is a word that we all understand and is neither negative nor positive, but we can see here that the context in which it appears is slightly negative. Another example of ATP capability is document summarization. I'm going to summarize a lengthy professional bio. However, this capability can be applied to documents of any length. ATP does more than just simply look at random sentences from paragraphs in the document. We first select how many topics to summarize. We then select how much of those topics to summarize. ATP quickly finds that the first two topics are Dr. Subrata Das and machine analytics, and the summary follows. ATP can do more than summarize single articles. A corpus of articles can be analyzed from any source. I'm going to sample articles about the NCAA Final Four from Google. ATP highlights where our search terms appear in the individual articles. Results can be refined by using a number of filters, including filtering by the search terms themselves or derivations of the search terms, or filtering by individual words that appear in an article, among other filters. We can see from some of these top hits that the articles are about buying tickets and may not be relevant to our search. I'm going to run the search again, and I'm going to exclude the word ticket from the results. With our now relevant search results, we can once again look at overall language in the articles, or we can look at individual articles. We can see that overall, the Final Four is viewed as a positive event. We can also see the top word choices that are in these articles. We can also look at bigrams or two-word combinations that are used in the articles. And if we highlight one of these bigrams, we can find out which articles that term appears in. Within each article, we can see that the search terms are highlighted, and the positive terms are highlighted green, the negative terms highlighted red, ambiguous terms highlighted in yellow. This video has briefly demonstrated some of the capabilities of the powerful unstructured data analytical tool ATP. ATP provides a set of powerful techniques for categorization and structuring of unstructured textual documents. ATP offers supervised and unsupervised clustering techniques including Bayesian classifiers and latent semantic analysis. ATP can extract and represent text in a format from which evidence can be extracted semantically. For a full demonstration of ATP, please contact us.